I'm looking for a young white chick who is a black guy. My name is Ashford Ruben, also known as Shabarang. I stay in Bari. Right?
Yeah, you got it. Phone number.
No number, no back number.
No number.
I got no money. You know what I'm saying, baby? But I need a white chick. Stay in the ghetto. My name is Ashisan, also known as Shabarang. I'm looking for the pen pal. A 30 or 28 young white chick because I'm black. You can see me now.
You're black and white.
No cash, right? But we can always organize something. I can always organize something for you, you know what I'm saying? A spare bedroom, I've got it, fully furnished, right?
Penpa kana numkazi.
Mkazi vese.
Kuphi ba?
In Canada, in Toronto, even in England, no problem. States, New York, Canada, no problem. I stay in Zimbabwe, down in Mbare. That's where we stay, in the ghetto. I stay in the first ghetto from town, Mbare National, where the Queen visited. What?
When she?
Yeah, she was here. The Queen. Correct me, but not the language. Right. I'm 38. I got no kid. I didn't even marry. You know what I'm saying? But I'm looking for a white chick.
What about the white chick who is 50 years old?
No problem at all. There's no problem.
No problem.
Even if she's 60.
Even if she's 60.
I don't
as long as the white chick.
Yeah, as long as she's white. Yeah, I'm looking for a white chick.
White chick.
Yeah,
to marry.
Yeah, to marry. But I've got no cash. I've got no kites. You know what I'm saying?
You can organize something.
I can organize something. I'm going to a bedroom to share at my house.
Where?
In Bari, 12 Avenue.
I didn't.
Right.
Right.
But